Hello and welcome to another video from Affiliate Marketing Money. Today we're going to talk about the best 3 web pages to make money online in 2020. Make sure you stay tuned. If you're a freelancer, you're going to like this. Let's get started. The first web page we're going to talk about is going to be Upwork. Upwork is a great web page that's going to help you make money online. So if you are within any of these categories that I'm about to talk about, you are going to be able to find a job in this web page. So I very much suggest that you check it out. Web developing, mobile and software development, design and creative design, writing, sales and marketing, administrative support, customer service, data science and analytics, engineering and architecture, which the good thing is most people fall under any of these categories, right? You are probably involved in one of those. Those are very popular. So you probably have skills in at least one of those categories. So if you do, this is the kind of web page where you're gonna be able to find some work. Now we have a lot of job offers in here, at least in my area. We get a lot of them very often. So these are my categories where I usually find jobs. So video production is where I mostly look for, and because that's what I try to specialize the most on, and I find it very helpful. I found the webpage very easy to use and self-explanatory. So it's very easy to find proposals that are interesting to you and that are within the price range and your ability range, and then you can apply to them and try to get hired. And if you do so, it's a very good way to make money, even a whole income. There's a lot of people here who are making enough money to live solely on Upwork. Definitely worth checking out. So sign up. We are gonna look into an example right now of one of the job offerings so you can see a little bit better what the information they provide looks like. So let's take a look here. Let's see for this comedy writers for gaming related parodies. So over here we have all of the information provided. How much money is the budget? We have how many people have applied, how long ago it was posted, how many bids it is to or how many connects it is to bid, right? So one of the things about Upwork is that in order to bid for a job, you have to pay with connects, and connects are kind of like points you have to buy. They give you a certain amount when you first sign up, and then if you run out of them, you have to buy more. I personally find this a little bit extreme after they already charge you 20% on whatever you earn, but they have to make their money, right? So it's cool with me. It's still a very good web page, and they still give you a very good amount of connects when you first sign up, which were enough for me to get a job. So once you hit submit a proposal, you pay with the connects, right? In that case it was 4, and then you fill out all this information right here, and you can bid for the job, and if you get it, you can start making money. Now let's go to our second web page. This is freelancer.com. Freelancer.com, just like Upwork, is a great web page for people looking for jobs, right? A lot of people are posting jobs on this web page, and a lot of people are hiring people in these web pages. So make sure that this is one of the web pages that you check out, because they are hiring a lot of freelancers. Just like Upwork, there is a lot of movement through these web pages. Even with everything going on, since everything is going digital, there is a lot of movement on here. So I personally haven't played much with freelancer.com. As you can see in my personal page, in my current work, I still have $0. I would like to make that a higher number. I haven't yet. I haven't had the time, but as you can see as well, in order to apply for jobs, you have to pay. You get a certain amount per month if you sign up for the premium, and then you can apply to that amount of to the amount of jobs that it equals to that amount of points you use to bid. This is what the offers look like, very much like Upwork. You can click on them, they have information. The difference here is that you can see other people's proposals, you can see their submissions and see what they wrote and what they're proposing, so you can write a more accurate, a little more hooking proposal, right, than other people, or you can pay to make it sealed or sponsored, right, so that people who are hiring will take a better liking to you, or people can't steal your ideas or work or match your offers. So definitely worth checking out, definitely worth going into the webpage and looking at all the information they have on all of the postings and how all of the posting and hiring happens. But the most interesting thing for me here, and the reason why I'm recommending Freelancer, is this contest right here, right? So over here on the contest, the way that they work is you submit the work, and if the person likes it and wants to keep it, then they have to pay, right? Some of them are guaranteed, some of them are not, but they make a submission for a contest. They say, hey, I'm gonna pay this much for someone doing this thing, and then people submit the work, and if they like it, they buy it. And the cool thing is that if they like more than just one, they can buy more than just one of the artworks that they ordered in a certain way. So over here we have this sample, and in this example we have some submissions. One of them is sealed, so we can't see it, and the other one is open. So if we click on that submission, we can see the person's video. They were asking for a video and someone made a submission. Now depending the amount of money this job is offering, if this person was to buy either one of the videos, if they thought that was good enough and they bought it, that money will go to that person. And then if they like both of them, they even have the option to pay extra and get both of them, so that both people have and get money, right? Why do I think this is cool? Because this will help you not only build, maybe get jobs and get paid, but also build your portfolio along the way. It's gonna force you to do some jobs and do stuff for clients, and then build your portfolio. Even if it doesn't get bought, it gives you experience. So make sure you check out those contests, and make sure you check out freelancer.com. Again, they have a lot of traffic, so it's a very good webpage to be checking out right now. Now let's go to our third webpage. Our third webpage is gonna be Fiverr, and I think that Fiverr is the one that applies the best to all people. Why does it apply the best to all people? Because here is somewhere where you can offer any kind of service in a certain way, right? So a lot of people use it for artistic purposes. A lot of people will help you design something like your webpage, or they'll do a voiceover, stuff like that, because it works in a certain way like Upwork and Freelancer, but it doesn't at the same time, because instead of getting hired, you're offering a service, as I said. So in this case, in Fiverr, you're gonna offer a service. You're gonna take maybe a hobby of yours, you're gonna take something that you think could be marketable, and you're gonna create it into a service. So we see here someone has, I will do industrial 3D models for $50. I will do 3D models for $75. If we go to writing and translation, maybe you like writing, or maybe you're bilingual. Here we have a guy who will do 24-hour German translations for $5 from English. We have a guy who will do them to Spanish for $20, right? People who will do translations for Amazon listings, right? So a lot of people are offering a lot of services on Fiverr, and they're making money on Fiverr through offering these services. And they have a lot of categories, very, very many categories. For example, if you edit videos, you could edit family videos maybe for a certain amount of money. We have a lot of people here offering to edit videos for certain quantities, and then once you click on it, it gives you a little bit more information. It gives you packages that adjust a little bit better to your needs too, but it helps them be marketable. It helps them be out there, and it helps them be found by people generally in the world, because as a freelancer, the hardest part is to be found by people, is to be found by clients. So make sure that you check out Fiverr. And if you think, hey, I don't do any kind of artsy stuff, I don't do any kind of video editing, well, they also have virtual assistants, right? Anybody can be an assistant, anybody can help someone else get organized. So you can become a virtual assistant, and a virtual assistant will help someone get organized online, and then they're gonna make money doing it. A lot of people are offering this service right here, $75, $5, $80, $10, right? So maybe you can say, hey, I'll be your virtual assistant for 8 hours a day for, I don't know, $80 for the day, and that's $10 an hour. That's a whole job right there. Maybe someone will like like you and say, hey, let's go, let's get this going, and if it works out, I'll hire you for longer or something, right? So you could even build a longer relationship out of this webpage and keep those clients. But it's definitely a good way to start earning money right now without having to leave your house, without having to do anything but go online. So make sure you check out Fiverr. And guys, that's it for today. Thank you very much for watching. We are very happy that you're watching our videos. We're very thankful that you're here watching it, and we hope that you like these videos. If you do so, please give us a thumbs up. If you like our videos, please subscribe to the channel. It'll help us out a lot, and I will make sure that it helps you too by teaching you new ways to make money. We are constantly uploading videos on new ways to make money online, so if you want to keep learning, make sure to subscribe and turn on those notifications. Again, thank you very much for watching. We hope to see you again. Take care.